This is a fun and quick little project. If you want to make some black and white stickers and you have a 4x6 inch label maker, you can print and cut from your label maker to your silhouette. So I set up my page as 4x6. I have the Dymo 4XL and it prints on 4x6 sticker paper. I turned on the registration marks and I created my cut file. I turned on the cut border here so that I could see how large I could make the stickers. Created the file. If I go to send, you can see I have the text turned set to no cut, and then I have the outer line set to cut. So once my file is ready, I'm going to go up to File, down to Print, and I'm going to select my Dymo LabelWriter 4XL and select Print. Now I can take this printed out sticker just like I would a regular print and cut and stick it in the corner of my mat. So I have the square in the upper left hand corner, and now I'm going to load it into my machine. I'm using the Cameo 4, and I'm going to use both hands to do this so that it reads the registration marks correct. I have the mat loaded in the machine. I have my auto blade in tool holder number 1, and it is loaded and locked into place correctly. Now I'm going to go back to the software and select my cut settings. I'm going to go to Send, and for the cut settings I'm going to use a blade of 2, force of 10, speed of 8, and the line segment overcut turned on, and click Send. Okay, so it just returned to the beginning. Before I unload, I'm going to double check and make sure that it cut all the way through. I'm just going to grab a corner here, and it did. So I can go ahead and unload. And there it is. I have the excess, and now I have a little black and white sticker. It's quick and easy to create a simple text cut file, but if you want this one, I will go ahead and add this to my library for my subscribers. So if you go to littlegraysquirrel.com/library, sign up for my newsletter, you can access my free resource library where I have cut files for my subscribers.